welcome in to another woolly review. Here we have Magic Aran. Patterns like magic, it says. And that's how it should work up. This is in the shade 1306. And as always, I say I'm not here to review the colour, I'm here to review the yarn itself. Now this looks to be chain spun, and it feels it. So this is £3.99 for 250 grams. 100% acrylic, and it's saying to use needles, knitting needles of course, of 5mm. Now, feeling it, it feels a little bit like you can feel the chain spun, you can feel the bumps. It's not overly soft, but it's very, very squishy. So, let's have a look, see what happens. Can I find the end? Wonderful end. Absolutely love it. Great. Fab. Awesome. Okay. So let's get rid of the yarn bar first. Definitely feeling that chain spun. Definitely feeling it. I'm really hoping I don't feel it in my hands while I'm working with it, because that could be a problem. Now, I'm not a big fan of these self-patterning wools. I'm definitely not a fan of yarn bath. But it is what it is. Knew that'd happen. Talk amongst yourselves, of course. That one goes over there. So that one is that one, which means I can pull that one out there. Ah, there we go. Okay. We're not here to judge my awful crochet skills. We are here purely to judge the wool. So let's do a little testy sample. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is more than enough. Let's go in for some doubles, and I'm really feeling those bumps through my fingers. Really feeling it, and it does not feel nice to me at all. It is quite stiff feeling, a little bit like cardboard. It is what it is. But let's get this sample done. And let's judge it at the end, shall we? So I'm just going to do a standard double and single for this. I normally try and do a fancy-ish kind of stitch, but today I'm feeling a bit standard. So I will do standard stitches. Okay. And one more on the end. The good thing is it doesn't squeak. Yeah, it honestly, it doesn't feel great against the skin. It feels very bumpy, a little bit rough. Would it change if it went in the wash? I don't know, but honestly, I highly doubt it. I mean, it looks nice like that. I quite like the look of that. But, yeah. Frog. Speed. It frogs quite well and hardly any kink. Well, that's a good sign. Let's get this wrapped up, because it can't be given away when some of it isn't there. Did I say how much was on here? I said it was 250 grams, but does it say how much is actually on here? Nope. If I find it, I'll put it in the description below. If I find it, it doesn't actually say, but I am guessing there's a fair old amount in there. Magic Aran. Magic Aran. Let's have a nosy, shall we? Would I turn my back on it? No. Would I be a little bit frustrated if that was the only thing? Yeah. I think I'm only going to give Magic Aran 2 Ladybirds out of 5. I think Magic Aran is just a little bit too coarse, a little bit too overly bumpy. I wouldn't want it next to my skin. Squidgy, yeah. Looks nice, worked up, yeah. But I can't really do more than 2 Ladybirds for my liking. So that's my review. If it's any use to you, please, please, please give a thumbs up down the bottom underneath the description where all the bump about this is. And if you like the custom hook, Jalena's details are down below too. Anyway, maybe subscribe. There might be a better review next week. There might even be a good tutorial on a Tuesday. You never know. Until next time, bye-bye.